Alright, well, since it's raining out today, pretty good. How about we get in the shop there and work on the bench grinder tool post jig. So let's get at it. Alright, well, got everything set up here on the router table. Got the bit here. Got the light. You know, good to go here. So let's start fitting everything to where it's supposed to be. So here we go. Here you go, a little bit more here and good to go. I'm going to take this piece of scrap here because I ran out of travel on the table. I'm going to make some shims. See? Here we go. Just got a hair more. Alright, there we go. Now I just gotta clean this up with a chisel here, and then the edge will just pop into place like that, and that'll be it. Alright, next is this area right here, and that area is for the slide. Alright, well, now I got a little filing to do, but it works. That'll be good. Alright, let's get down to the Walker Turner and clean that up. Okay, here we go. Now just cut it out with a hacksaw and that's it. Alright, well, there we go. That's all for today's episode. So stay tuned for the next one of when it's assembled all together. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Later.